If you've ever needed to view a PowerPoint presentation without installing Microsoft PowerPoint, this quick tutorial is for you. Today, I'm going to show you how to use Google Docs, or more accurately, Google Drive and Google Slides as a PowerPoint viewer so you can open your .ppt or .pptx files right inside your browser. This is a super easy trick for students, teachers, office workers, and anyone who just wants a fast way to preview a presentation file. And if you find this helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials. Alright, let's get into it. First, open Google Drive in your browser. You can do this by going to drive.google.com and signing in with your Google account if you aren't already logged in. Once you're inside Google Drive, you'll see your files and folders along with the new button on the left side of the screen. This is where we're going to start. Next, click on New. From the menu that appears, choose File Upload. This tells Google Drive that you want to upload a file from your computer instead of creating a new document or spreadsheet. Now browse your computer and find the PowerPoint file you want to open. It should be a .ppt or .pptx file. Select it and click Open, and Google Drive will begin uploading it for you. Depending on the size of the presentation and your internet speed, the upload may take just a few seconds or a little longer. Once it finishes uploading, you'll see the file appear in your Google Drive list. At this point, the file is stored in your drive and ready to open. Now here's the important part. Double-click the uploaded PowerPoint file. When you do this, Google Drive will open it using Google Slides. This means you can view the presentation directly in your browser without needing PowerPoint installed on your computer. In most cases, it opens in viewer mode, so you can scroll through the slides, check the content, and review the presentation right away. If you want to go a step further, Google Slides also gives you options to present, print, or even make a copy if you need to edit the file later. But if your goal is simply to use Google Docs as a PowerPoint viewer, this method is the fastest and easiest way to do it. This is especially useful if someone sends you a PowerPoint attachment and you just want to open it quickly, or if you're using a Chromebook, a shared computer, or any device where PowerPoint isn't installed. Google Drive makes it simple to access and preview the file from anywhere. So just to recap, open Google Drive, click New, choose File Upload, upload your PowerPoint file, and then double-click it to open it in Google Slides viewer mode. That's all there is to it. If this video helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next easy tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.